Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin rights and saving your work. This prevents data loss during rollback. Open Start, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and select Windows Update. This is where update records live. Once there, click View Update History to see what installed most recently, and choose Uninstall Updates to open the Control Panel list. You do this because Control Panel shows individual KB entries. It lets you remove the specific package, causing trouble, without a full reset. Once the Control Panel list appears, sort by installed on so the latest entries rise to the top. This helps you identify the exact KB number to remove. Select the suspicious update, click Uninstall, and confirm. Windows will show progress and any dependencies. Make sure to read prompts, because some updates require removal of related components. After the uninstall completes, Windows often requests a restart. Do it promptly to finalize file replacement and registry rollback, which restores the previous stable state. You finish by verifying stability. Check Device Manager for driver issues and Open System to confirm build changes. Once satisfied, pause automatic updates in Windows Update right arrow advanced options so the same patch won't reinstall immediately. This gives you time to test. If the uninstall fails or causes errors, boot into safe mode and retry, or restore to a recent system restore point. These approaches target locked files and registry hitches. One key tip: keep a restore point before major update changes to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.